Hi, I'm Chef Alan with Global Sugar Art with another 2-minute tip and trick for you. And today we're going to talk about sugar cookies and a technique that I love using with royal icing or a nice cookie icing that gives you a nice blended fall look. It's very easy to do. Start with regular royal icing, or we have a cookie icing recipe on our website as well that also works very, very well and keeps a really nice shine. Mix your icing according to the directions on the package. And then you want to thin the icing enough so that when you drop a spoonful in the bowl, count to about 10. And it should level out completely. There should be no high spots. And if you count to about 10 and it levels off perfectly, the icing is soft enough. That's what you're looking for consistency. So I have some sugar cookies that are all baked. And I'm using about a number 2 or number 3 tip in a bag, and I've just added my colors. And it's very, very easy to do. So all I'm going to do is go around the edge of the cookie first with one color. And then I'm going to fill this in quite a bit. For this cookie, I want my base color to be the orange. So I'm not filling it in completely, but a lot. And then I'm going to throw in some other colors. So I'm going to add some stripes of yellow, just here and there. And I'm going to add a little bit of green, not a lot. And then a little bit of red. We're fortunate to live in an area where we have a lot of maple trees, and the colors in the Northeast in the fall are just spectacular. And I'm going to add a little bit more orange right back into that spot so it fills in. Now just use a toothpick, and you can just go in a little circle and pull all the icing together and just swirl it so that it covers the cookie. Whoops. And really that's all there is. This is a super, super easy technique. I like to make like a vein down the center and then come out to the sides afterwards. And you have a fall sugar cookie ready to display, something you'd be very proud of showing and displaying or presenting at any party or any function. They work great on maple cookies, on oak leaf. As you can see here, we use the same technique on acorns. We use the white on the little bellies of the squirrels. There's all kinds of fall cookie cutters that you can use this technique with. As well, you can use this like on a regular round scalloped cookie with pink and white or blue and white and make nice baby shower or wedding shower cookies that you just want a nice spiral design using this technique. If you're using all royal icing, if you want to keep a nice high shine, these need to dry very fast. So under a heat lamp is best, or at least with a fan on them. The faster they dry, the shinier they'll stay. If you don't have that and you want to use an icing recipe that will keep a shine without worrying about how they dry, check out our website and we have a really, really nice cookie icing that works beautifully on cookies and will leave you a nice shine. I hope you've enjoyed this video. The best deals are always directly at globalsugarart.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.